Okay, so here we have some uppercase and lowercase letters. So we have an uppercase D, and a lowercase d. What we are going to do is we are going to have to match them and say its sound. So I'm going to take them all off, and you are going to match them up and say their sound. Show me. Show me. Good job.
I'm matching.
So, yep, you're going to match it up. It's like a puzzle, but you also say the letter sound. So which one do you have in your hand right now? A capital what? A big
D.
D. So now you have to find the small d. And there's a hint because you have to look for which puzzle piece it goes to.
That's a hard decision.
Yeah, it's a hard decision, huh? Do you have something illy on your hand? There you go. Yes. And what does D say?
D.
D. Very good. D, D, D. All right. Now which one do you have? The capital A. And long A says A. Short A says
A.
Long A says A, and short A says Ah. Very good. Then you have a capital what? Yeah, capital N. Capital N. And you got to find the lowercase n, and you got to match it up. Match it up. Very good. Twist it so it fits.
Oh.
There you go. And N says N. Good job. N. All right. Find the next one. Yes, capital H for hot. 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 Yes, good. Very good. You found it. Yep, that's it. Your H and H. Lowercase h. Yeah. Boo, 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 boo. A B. Very good. Now you have to find the small b. Very good. There it is. Boo, boo. Boo, boo. Good. Nice. B. Oh, that's a capital E. And long E says E. And short E says, what does short E say? Can you tell me? It's the beginning of your name. Short E says, eh. Very good. Eh. Now which one are you going to do? That's a big I. And long I says I. Short I says, do you know what short I says? Very good. Short I says eh. Ooh, that is cool. Q. Very good. Q. And you only have 2 left. Can you do it? Can you do an I right here next to us? Show me the I next to us. Show me the I. Oh, and you have a capital for L. Yeah, you're right. Put it that way. Very good. And the last one here is a capital R. Very good. You matched all our letters and our letter sounds. High five. Boom.